Hi, welcome to ConnectForum. This is our team, and we'll be taking you through our application today. This is our group project we've been working on together for the past 3 weeks. My name's Della Owens, and I'll be taking you through the intro.
My name is Abu Bilti, and I'll be walking you through the usual authentication.
My name is Noah Tate. I will be taking you through the channels and the backend.
My name is Kristen Deskin, and I'll be showing the real-time chat implementation.
My name is Ethan Bullington, and I'll be walking you through the forms and the post.
And my name is Jonathan Moya, and I'll be covering the comment section.
Hello, my name is Della Owens, and I'll be walking you through the intro for ConnectForum. ConnectForum is a full-stack application that allows users to chat via instant message, create forum topics, and communicate on these forums with posts and comments. This application is a place for users to connect on common interests and share ideas, as well as chatting with fellow users. This application features a backend made up of Python, Django, Postgres, channels, and Redis, while our front end was built on React, JavaScript, and WebSockets. A key learning point throughout this whole process was implementing our channels and WebSockets, as it was something that we really had to look up documentation and learn as we went in order to implement our idea for this application. And now I will pass this on to my other team members who will be taking you through the user experience and development process of this application.
We're walking you through authentication for this app. So in order to have authentication, we needed to configure our backend to tell our front end how we want user to be authenticated. So we had to create a user class and specifically put the requirement, like for instance, email, displays name, and password and all that good stuff. That's how you're seeing here on the front end. And and if we also go to the front end, we also needed to have a URL as well to see where the user can go to, like for this register, and these are all the URL. That's the URL for it. So that's pretty much the back end of it. And I'll walk you through the front end code as well. So this is the front end. This front end will be making a call to the back end, and it will be looking for these parameters. Like for instance, the email can be blank. If you put the blank and try to log in, you have an alert. And then you also need a password, and you also need a display name. And if you already have an account and your account exists, we will also let you know to sign in with your old account. So this is what this is doing, and this is just fun, awesome for this little icon right here. So I'm going to walk you through the front end itself. For instance, I'm going to have this as my display name. Then I need an email for that, and password. I also need a password, and I can register as a registered person. So now I'm logging to the app, and this is how I'm logging to the app. I can go ahead and just do whatever I want to do. Like for instance, I want to add a forum, I want to add friends and all that good stuff. So this is basically the authentication, and I'll also log out. Then now, since I already have an account, so if I want to sign in now with the account I created, all I have to do is to just put the account that that I had. So this is the account that I used, I believe. Email. Now I'm able to sign in correctly. So that's it. That's the authentication for this app. Thank you.
Hi, this is Noah Tate. I'm here with the ConnectForum's app team, here to talk a little bit about the back end of our project. One of the original goals of our project was to create a real-time chat application where users could message each other and have those messages saved in real time. Some of the challenges associated with this were establishing 2 connections to a backend server and having the messages saved to a database. Without having been familiar with any method to do this, we found the best way was utilizing Django channels and WebSockets for the front end. The WebSockets connection was pretty simple. Basically, it just opens up a connection stream, and then Django channels in the backend will connect to that connection so that messages can be passed back and forth. However, that's just a one-way connection, and in order for a chat room to be established, you need to be able to have more than one user on a connection. That's where channels layers come in, and in order to store data on the layers, we're utilizing Redis. So when a message request is sent, a chat room is established in the backend. The object is saved into a PostgreSQL database, and then that connection is stored in a channels layer in Redis. That way, both users are connected to that layer in channels, and then one message is sent to that layer. The other user sees that message. It's immediately populated on their side of the site. And yeah, that's it.
Hi, my name is Kristen Descant, and I'll be demonstrating the front-end portion of our real-time chat application. You'll see here on our homepage that we have a friends list. From there, we can directly message someone, or we can use the search bar at the top to look for the user and navigate to their user page. Here we can add or remove the friend, or directly send them a message. Next, if we press the back button, we'll go to our chats page. To implement this feature, we send an API request to the backend for all existing chat rooms that this user is a part of. Then we display each room to the user, represented by the user's profile picture, username, and the last message from the chat. Then we can choose an existing chat and explore the functionality of it. You'll notice that the old messages from the database populate into the chat with a scroll bar that auto-scrolls to the bottom each time a message is sent. We've also styled the chat so that the current user's messages are on the right and are light blue, while the other user's messages are on the left and are white. Let's take a look at the real-time chat in action. Rocky and Emma can now have conversations in real time. Thank you for watching.
My name is Ethan Bullington, and I'm here with the ConnectForum team to show you guys our forums and our post. So, as you can see, this is the home page and what everyone sees when they log in. They have all the current forms that have been created in a list and can click through them, or they can add their own form. Let's look at some old ones though. Let's go to video games. As you can see, once we click on video games, it takes you to a separate page that holds the forms and its post. I've already posted here, so I haven't edited it yet, but I see that there's a spelling error in here and I want to capitalize Warzone. Let's click the edit post button. Let's type the exact same thing, but this time without the spelling errors. And hit submit. The post has been updated with the correct spelling, and now we can see that it's been edited. But let's leave it a like. If we want to go back, we can hit the home page. But I realize, I really don't want to post on the video games form. So click back in there, hit the delete button. Now we can log out and see what other posts look like for other users. But let me add one here first so we can see that the functionality isn't the same across for all users unless they do the post themselves. Let's log out real quick, sign into another user, go back into video games, and see that this is what it looks like for the other user. The trash can's still there, but they can't use it. There's no edit button, and this new post hadn't been edited. But I can leave it a like. Let's go back to home and show you the last thing I want to show you, which is adding a new form. Let's say we want to talk about videos. Takes you to that form page, which is right there now. Hopefully everyone likes ConnectForum and you guys will become customers soon. Have a great day.
My name is Jonathan Moya, and I'm here with the ConnectForum team to show you our comment section and features. So let's start off here. I am logged in as Chase, and I'm able to here have the comment that I've made, and then I can also take the like, but also like my own comment, and I can dislike this one, Python, and then I can also like butter with C++. But I do not like, I guess, JavaScript, so we can change it. I can have Python. Post it, but this is already a Python comment. I could just delete my comment and it just like theirs, whichever way that they can do it. And then let's go sign out, and then sign in as myself. And go coding, favorite coding language. There we go. Collect my own comment. And then we still have the results here. I've already edited my comment here, but let's go and just put Python. And there we go. It shows it's still true. My comment has been updated. And I already like my comment, but I could dislike it. But let's like it because I do like Python. And then also the features here are only available to me since I'm logged in as Figaro. Well, let's log out and let's log in as Butter. So sign in. There we go. And the options are available to me right here. But I don't like C++, so let's go with JS. And that would be all for our features. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.